Here we are with Chipotle Mexican Grill. We're going to do a follow-up with the report. There was a little bit of conflicting numbers. We can see that we were hitting that 316 on the high side. We can see that we hit that 298. What a great trade off that bottom to 316, I would say. And I'm going to go back through the report. MMTs, mute your microphones while I'm giving the report, please. The thing that we have, first a report came out, said it was going to be lower. Then we get another report that comes out and says that their guidance is going to be up. Chipotle Mexican Grill, it makes the high up here. And it's a very light. There's not a huge movement one way or the other. 298 up here. But here's what we have. They beat by 6 cents. Comparable restaurant sales growth was very good, they say. And I'm going to let you know that revenues rose 24.1%. to 591.9 million versus 584. Here's the thing. What I'm hearing now is that the company is raising fiscal 11 guidance. Company sees the fiscal 11 low double-digit comparable restaurant sales growth for the full year up from high single to low double-digit comparable restaurant sales growth. For fiscal 2012, company sees low single-digit comparable restaurant sales growth. So there's a little bit of, at first it was going to look a little bit lower, but they are going to give, they are going to raise the guidance up. Okay, we can clearly see it. And we are up toward the highs. Generally, Chipotle Mexican Grill, like ISRG, you get about a 30 pop move up or $30 move down. And we don't see that the report is bad. It is still up $9. We did buy a call up and out of the money and a put below the market. Our total cost exposure was $270 to be on both sides of the market. We will now trade the stock on an intraday level to cover our total cost of our exposure on the position. Chipotle Mexican Grill, follow-up, video part 2, live entry. Now we can see where we hit that 316 and climbing higher. And as we climb higher, that's bullish for our call. And what we'll end up doing, because tomorrow's expiration, is we'll just see how far we go, and we'll monitor this thing, and we can see if we're going to cover, if we can gap up above 322.50 later in the day. All done in after hours here and now live.